Type of woman.
Rita. What a pleasant surprise. I have been trying to reach you.
I'm not here for all this pretense.
Excuse me, what is going on?
Why?
Why what?
Why did you do it? Why did you go below your standards? Why? I told you that I needed more time and you agreed. Instead, you went behind me to humiliate me. Look at me. I thought you were better.
Rita, it is very clear that you are mistaken. I do not know what you're talking about. Neither do I appreciate your tone. You'll have to calm down. Talk to me. Okay? Calm down and talk to me so that clearly I can understand what you're talking about. I need to know what happened and how you think that whatever it is that has happened is connected to me. What is it?
You know what's funny?
What's funny?
How you wear this white garment and you behave angelic, but you are the opposite of an angel. You want to sit on your white horse and pretend you don't know that Charles has been missing for 5 days. Charles has been kidnapped. And I've asked my brother. He swore with his late twin brother's life that he was not involved. So it leaves me no option, Don, but to suspect you. Don't look at me. Do I look like a goat that you can own? Tell me. Don't sit down. I want answers from you. Give me answers.
Rita, sit.
I'm not your slave. You cannot order me around to sit down.
I'm asking you to sit down! You are in my office. Sit!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.